Artificial sweeteners have grown popular due to their ability to reduce the intake of sugar as well as calories, particularly in foods and drinks that are widely consumed and contain large amounts of sugar. Though these artificial sweeteners may seem to be incredibly beneficial, they have also gathered significant controversy over the effects they may have on people's health. One type of artificial sweetener commonly used is aspartame, also known to organic chemists by its IUPAC name, 3S, 3-amino, 4, 2S, 1-methoxy, 1-oxo, 3-phenylpropan-2-amino, 4-oxobutanoic acid. This sweetener is branded as Equal and NutraSweet, and is most commonly found in most diet and zero-calorie soft drinks, including Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Sprite, Fanta, and Dr. Pepper. It can also be found in a variety of gums, frozen desserts, yogurt, and some vitamins and cough drops. It doesn't serve well as a replacement for sugar in baked goods, however, because in high temperatures its structure is broken down and it no longer works as a sweetener. Aspartame, along with most artificial sweeteners, reduces calorie content because it is significantly sweeter than sugar, and therefore less can be used to provide the same effect. However, aspartame is still less sweet than several other artificial sweeteners that are commonly used. The structure of aspartame plays a significant role in its use, as well as how it is processed by the body. The methyl group added to the phenylalanine gives aspartame its sweet taste, and this methyl group is later broken down in the body to methanol, while the rest of the structure is broken down to aspartic acid and phenylalanine. This means that it is metabolized as a protein and is broken down into compounds that do not generally have negative effects on the body. However, people with phenylketonuria, or PKU, are not able to process phenylalanine and therefore cannot consume aspartame. Outside of people with PKU, research has not shown aspartame to cause negative effects on the body. There have been some side effects reported, though at fairly low rates, with the most common being headaches, dizziness, and confusion. Although many people believe that aspartame leads to cancer, past studies on its effects have not linked any particular health problem to the consumption of aspartame. Past reports of aspartame toxicity have led to the general public having a negative misconception about the effects of using aspartame and other natural sweeteners in diet drinks. More recent investigation on these reports have found that the diseases reported as a result of aspartame toxicity, such as multiple sclerosis and systemic lumps, are actually disorders that can have spontaneous worsening or improvement of symptoms. Moreover, the average amount of aspartame found in a can of Diet Coke is about 180 milligrams, and an average adult weighs 150 pounds or 70 kilograms. A simple calculation shows that drinking 1 can of Diet Coke per day means you are only intaking 0.000257% of your weight's worth of aspartame, which is not a large enough amount to make a significant impact on your health. Besides not having any specific negative effects, aspartame can even decrease the occurrence of tooth decay and cavities. The chemical structure of aspartame does not allow bacteria in the mouth to break it down to form the acids that the breakdown of sugar forms, and therefore reduces the likelihood of the tooth problems commonly associated with sugar. Though research on aspartame does not reveal any definitive negative consequences of consuming the sweetener, aspartame may not always be the best choice for a diet. Artificial sweeteners are often used in weight loss as they do not provide the calories of sugar but still provide a sweet taste. However, aspartame has commonly increased cravings for sweets and therefore has led to weight gain in some people through the increased consumption of other foods. The benefit of aspartame can vary across people based on many factors, particularly diet, but in general the sweetener is a good replacement for sugar. Contrary to the belief of many people, aspartame is actually safe to consume and provides the benefit of not taking in as many calories from sugar while still getting a sweet taste. It is possible that the sweetener has some side effects, but when consumed in average quantities, aspartame seems to be a safe additive.